Well, when parents decide to divorce, it's not uncommon for both parents to want full or primary custody of the kids. And more often than not, that can also create disagreements or even a full-out battle, right? But if primary is what you're willing to fight for, there are things that parents can do to help them win that case. I want you to meet attorney Ryan Reppucci. Is here from his firm Reppucci and Roeder with some good advice. First of all, welcome to Sonoran Living.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Good morning. Well, first of all, let's learn a little bit about you and your firm. How long have you guys been here in the Valley?
Absolutely. I've been practicing in the Valley now for almost 11 years.
Great.
I'm a managing partner at Reppucci and Roeder. We're a law firm that's dedicated to family law and domestic relations issues. You touched on it earlier, things like divorce, what people call child custody, child support issues, things like that.
Okay, excellent. Now, you're offering up a free consultation today, which is awesome. But when people come with their questions and concerns, do they see you? Absolutely,
yes. At Reppucci and Roeder, we're very, we pride ourselves on what we call the AAA service.
Oh, okay. What is that?
Affordability, accessibility, and aggressive representation. And when you schedule an appointment with our law firm, you're going to meet with an attorney. Attorney is going to be accessible with you from the beginning of the process all the way through the end of your case.
Excellent. You have 4 attorneys total, right?
Correct.
Is that what you told
Correct.
me? So let's talk about affordability, because everybody, you know, that's always a factor when it comes to divorce. How do you help us with that?
Yeah, our motto is we don't want to have to turn away any client. We deal with any client with any financial situation, and because of that, we have a variety of payment options, from flat rates to pay-as-you-go, monthly payments, all the way up to hourly services. Okay,
because, you know, when it comes to that, that's a lot of reason why people, you know, don't end up getting an attorney, because they think they can't afford one, when actually they can. Let's talk a little bit about custody, because everybody, not everybody, but a lot of parents who aren't co-parenting well in divorce want to get full custody. Is it possible?
Well, first off, in Arizona, there's a misnomer on the term custody. What people coin as custody is now legal decision making.
Oh,
and there's generally 2 different types of legal decision making. There's joint and there's sole. It sounds to me like perhaps you're asking, how would somebody obtain sole legal decision making?
Yes.
And statutorily, it's an uphill battle for the most part. I generally tell people there's some very unique circumstances. There generally has to be significant substance abuse issues, significant domestic violence, some child neglect, or a situation where you just have 2 parents that just cannot co-parent with each other. Those are certain situations where the court may consider actually granting one parent sole decision-making over the other.
I see. And what does that require on our part? Documentation, you know, proof? What?
Yeah, I mean, if somebody comes to me, for instance, and is concerned that maybe there's the other parent just got arrested for a DUI. Well, obviously there's a possible substance abuse issue there. We could pull the police reports and police records, and we can use that to assert to the court that, hey, this person has a substantial or significant substance abuse issue. Therefore, until they cooperate and do X, Y, and Z, perhaps it's not beneficial or in the child's best interest for them to have custody or decision making.
And to take best advantage of your gracious free consultation, what should we bring with us to be best prepared?
When you call in, our law firm will send you an email with an intake packet. As long as you complete that intake packet before you come in, the attorney will evaluate the intake packet and have an opportunity to, I guess, better evaluate your case prior to meeting with you.
Right. All right. Well, that's perfect then. We know exactly what we're going to be dealing with before we even leave your office.
Yes.
Perfect. Awesome. Ryan, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Good tips and good advice, and we appreciate you being here and learning about you. And we also appreciate the special offer that he brought along with him. All you have to do when you call, if you want to know more, is just mention Sonoran Living, and they will offer you up a free consultation with an attorney. Reppucci and Roeder, they're located at 5727 North 7th Street. That's Suite 205 in Phoenix. Here's that number, 480-300-6012. You can learn more at their website. It's attorneys-arizona.com.